Welcome to our video channel. Today we're going to take you through an efficient and intelligent automatic packaging line. This automatic packaging line is suitable for a wide range of industries, from food to daily chemicals, from pharmaceuticals to hardware. It can provide you with comprehensive packaging solutions. Automated packaging lines have become an integral part of major manufacturing industries. Through automation technology, product packaging efficiency is significantly improved, labor costs are reduced, and the consistency and high quality of product packaging is also ensured. Let us first understand the basic components of an automatic packaging line. Generally speaking, it includes conveyor belts, packaging machinery, encapsulation equipment, and inspection systems. The conveyor belt is responsible for transferring the products to be packaged from one process to another, while the packaging machinery is responsible for packaging the products. The encapsulation equipment ensures the sealing and integrity of the packages, and the inspection system is used to monitor the quality of the products and ensure that each package meets the standards. Next, we can take a look at the three main types of automatic packaging lines, and choose the right type according to the company's own needs. First, let's look at the one-point automatic packaging line. This system is usually used for single product packaging and is suitable for enterprises that pack small quantities of products. It has the advantage of simple operation and is suitable for quick switching of multiple products. With automated equipment, products can be packaged in a short period of time, which also ensures the consistency of packaging quality. Then there's the 1 and 2 automated packaging line. This system is capable of handling two products simultaneously and is suitable for medium-sized companies with product packaging needs. By processing in parallel, a 2 and 2 packaging line can significantly increase productivity and reduce the amount of time it takes to package a product. These systems are typically equipped with advanced sensors and control systems to ensure the accuracy and stability of the packaging process. Finally, we discuss the 1 and 4 automated packaging line. This system is capable of handling 4 products simultaneously and is suitable for companies with large-scale product packaging needs. Its high efficiency allows companies to pack a large number of products in a short period of time to meet market demand. Although the initial investment is high, it can bring considerable economic benefits to the enterprise in the long run. Automation can significantly increase the speed at which products are packaged and reduce the risk of human error by reducing manual intervention. Secondly, automated packaging lines are able to handle all types of products, whether they are food, pharmaceuticals, or daily necessities, and can achieve efficient packaging. In addition, automation systems can be flexibly adapted to the needs of a company to accommodate different packaging sizes. CHLB packaging machinery has helped hundreds of companies all over the world to set up automatic packaging lines over the years, improving the packaging efficiency and product quality of their products, so that their benefits have been significantly improved and their costs have been effectively controlled, and our equipment is stable and reliable, which has won the unanimous praise of our customers. The future is here and automation opens up endless possibilities. If you have any questions or need further information, please feel free to contact us.